guys, happy Wednesday. Hope you're all doing well. I wanted to start doing a playlist for you guys who are still brand new to makeup. I was thinking about doing how-to's videos and beginner friendly tutorials. And I thought to start with, it would be fun to do a how-to do a wing liner with liquid eyeliner. I know liquid eyeliner looks scary for those who are still brand new to makeup, but honestly it is easier than it looks, and if you follow my steps it will be much easier and you'll have a perfect wing in no time. So if you do enjoy these kind of videos, please leave me a thumbs up, and for those who haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe to my channel so I can make more videos like this for you guys. Alright, let's get started. I'm just gonna show you guys how I created this wing liner. It's really simple. This is what I usually do for every day when I go to work. So I'm just gonna show the easiest way to do it. So I'm just gonna use this liquid liner here. I'm using the e.l.f. Cosmetics. This one, it doesn't really specify which one it is, but it's just a liquid liner like so. So it's really easy, it's really thin to use. So what I like to do is that I like to start with doing a line across, so like that, and then I usually stop where my crease is, and then just
Artlist.io.
make a triangle like so. And then instead of filling it in right away, I just do the lash line, just follow, and I bring it all the way down like this. And then after that, I just use a bit more, so I go back into the liquid, and then I fill in the triangle.
Artlist.io.
So it'll look like that. So very simple, not very complicated. And after that, don't forget to curl your lashes. I'll start with a nice little curl. Just leave it there for 5 seconds. 5, 4, 3. And then move on to the next side. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And then add your mascara. So I'll add my favorite right here, my Lots of Lashes by Maybelline. And then just coat your lashes.
Artlist.io.
Then coat. And there we go. So you can leave it like this, or you could put on some falsies. I'm just gonna leave it like that. And that's how you create a quick, easy liquid line. Hope you guys enjoyed.